Something that is really unique for music teachers is we have so many different types of activities that we use the room for. We need to be able to modify the space. Will you make us circles? With kiddos, especially little ones, you've got an attention span of 3 to 5 minutes to work with. What kind of creature will you be? And so constantly moving, singing, using our bodies. 1, 2, 3. Integrating instruments. Come grab some rhythm sticks. Doing all of those things together to keep their minds and their bodies working together in harmony. I'm really excited for a big multi-purpose room.
So in music classrooms, that means it's typically larger than an average classroom. Sound tiles or acoustical treatments on the walls, higher ceilings, which allows for better acoustics.
I'm really excited about both the music rooms at Raleigh Hills Elementary School have that really high ceiling. I think this is the first one I've designed in my career for an elementary school that is that tall. So that was exciting.
Higher ceilings and acoustical treatments allow the students to hear music better. It protects the hearing of students and teachers, I think, a little bit more. Maybe if everyone's playing drums or instruments that produce a lot of sound, it can protect the hearing a little better to have some more space in the room.
There's also the benefit of if you're the instructor,
Listen and see if you can figure it out.
your voice is going to be more easily heard by students further away from you. You're going to have to spend less exertion making, audible sounds for your students to hear.
Ay, arriba, ay, arriba. Definitely take into consideration the health of my voice. It's my main instrument. Your so's are here. It has to last me for an entire teaching career. Sometimes I can feel vocal exhaustion by the end of the day, especially if the acoustics are really challenging and I'm singing for a long time. So, mi, la, so. Also, they're going to be putting in a sound system. There's going to be a mic for the teacher to be able to sing with.
It's amazing. I've never been in a space that's as good as this. The best thing about this space is the fact that there is space to do so many different types of activities. We have the space, we have the instruments, and we have the storage, and that is amazing.
Storage in a music room is massive, and I'm really, really excited that this new building is going to give us space and storage. Such a huge deal, not only to the students, but to the teachers, to the community, to the parents. Everybody benefits from the new space. Generations to come will get to enjoy this amazing new music room.